sorry, lagi ko nabibitan yung throttle. Huwag na. Oh. Lahat ng hindi sinep lang nahima ko, nabawi ko na. Here at the Royal Enfield Flagship here in Pasig to get my Himi worked up because of my recent Highside in Takadang. Just want to get it more or less back to stock. While waiting, let's have a look around inside the store. You got your Gorilla in US 1, Porsche 650s, Bullet, Himi 100 Black, Scepter, Classic, yes, Himi Himalayan Salt, and the best Himi color, which is the same as mine, has a brown. Got your accessories. Yeah. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys, in case you didn't know, newest Royal Enfield Flagship here in Manila is here in Pasig, in Brixton. Hey guys, we are back at the Royal Enfield Pasig. It's been a couple of days. And my Himalayan is ready. So again, today wasn't like a periodic maintenance thing. It was just repairing trail damage and from my crash. Okay, we're picking up the Himi here at the Royal Enfield Pasig Service Center. As you see, here's our brand new flagship Metro Manila Store Service Center. Ito si Kuya Jobel ang gumalaw sa hima natin. So again, ang pinagawa natin dito is talagang general checkup because lots of damage in the trail, and then I got this aftermarket folding shifter, and over here paired with same brand folding brake pedal. As you can see, it's also got nice teeth, so really good for off-road use, and hopefully will stand up better to trail falls than the stock lever. And Kuya, kamusta? Ano yung chinek natin sa Hima tsaka ano ginawa?
Yung Hima, una natin chinek yung alignment ng ating shocks tsaka ng steering. So naibalik naman natin siya. Nagpalit tayo ng left and right na mga lever, brake lever and cable lever.
Yung clutch.
Clutch pala. Tapos yun, nagpalit din tayo ng ating
pedal,
brake pedal and shifter pedal. So, natapos na tayo ng test ride, okay naman na.
Okay.
So, ang hindi lang natin na ibalik is ito.
Okay.
Kasi nga, wala na tayong
yung panghatak. Okay. Okay. Sige, so, okay naman. Okay naman.
Okay na yung bike natin, ready to go na.
Oh, and they actually got me a brand new handlebar. So, at least I'll have a spare one. Okay. Alright. Wheeling this baby out. Thank you guys. So ready for action na siya for our behind the scenes FJ4. Thank you. Okay, next phase. We're here at Reborn. We're gonna get this touched up and pulled back out. You see, went in there. We need to get our front spokes back in alignment. We're gonna buy aux lights, and then I'm gonna have my old bent levers cut so I can still use them as spares. That's the day. We're gonna have these cut, and there's my new old levers. Lol. Okay, bringing my rims. They gotta be aligned at a shop.
Talagang may bengkong talaga.
Oo. Okay, I missed it, but it's already done. Spray painted, so at least it won't corrode further.
4:44 p.m. now. The reason it took all day is basically the alignment of my wheels. So that took a few hours, so we had to wait for it to get done. And then, of course, because they took the tires off, they had to redo my tubeless here in Reborn. So this is their specialty anyway, so I mean it's good, like one-stop shop. We get it all done. But yeah, after this the wheels go on, all the other stuff has been repainted, then we should be good.
The edges, so hopefully it kind of meshes.
Just buffing out the repainted part.
And as time goes on, that'll brighten up. That'll shine up.
Yeah, or get damaged all over again. I don't. It's all good in the hood. Now we're gonna look for bolts so that I get longer bolts, so we can put back my bar ends to help with the protection and the vibrations also. Finally getting my bar ends back. Rear wheel is going back on. Front wheel next up. So this is the wheel that really needed alignment, but we said to just do both to make sure that there wouldn't be any like possible problems with the alignment of the rear as well. Here comes my front tire. Alright, I also made sure to pick up some driving lights. So the reason I'm not getting them installed here is because I want to keep my warranty. So Royal Enfield has to be the one to install them. Okay, finishing touches. Front wheel is going back on. Thank you, Reborn Boys, for all the hard work. Graduate na Hima. Yay, thank you. Okay guys, we're back at Royal Enfield Pasig flagship showroom service to get my aux lights installed. These are the Gold Runway CR4 and I bought the lenses for fog. Yan, kabisado nyo na yan. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Balikan natin pagtapos. So we're putting it here on the pack guard. Our accessories, wiring. I'm just looking for a place to mount the controls. Looks like the best idea is here under the mirror, or on the mirror stem. I'll mount it up. Doesn't get in the way of, but at least all the light controls are like kind of like beside each other. CR4 Gold Run. Tank is going back on. Yes. Lights are on. They just advised me to put zip ties here to keep this tight because it tends to vibrate. Could fall off and it's also prone to being stolen because these are like 1,300 pesos just for the lenses. Team effort by the boys. That be bright.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so bike's all sorted now and I should be ready for a big adventure shooting FJ Moto Mountain Cross 4. So hope this short-ish video was helpful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions or notes or whatever. Finally, let's go home. Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.